Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kesali. In today's edition, we will be treating antiseptic disinfectant. We've treated water-based antiseptic disinfectant. This edition, we shall be treating spirit-based antiseptic disinfectant. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly do so. And if you're yet to follow us on Facebook, kindly do so also. So do so also. Thank you. Let's move into our training for today. We need pine oil, we need hexapon, we need phenol, we need chlorxylenol, we need IPA, we need brown color, and that's all. So to prepare 2 liters of antiseptic disinfectant, we need 300 milliliters of pine oil, we need 1/16 hexapon, we need 1/16 phenol, we need 250 chlorxylenol, we need 1.5 liters of IPA and small quantity of color. Our brown color should be the color we are used to, the branded antiseptic color, the tall color. So Axe. Now let's go into the preparation proper. Before that, let me introduce you to the chemicals. So the first one here is the pan oil. Then I have my hexapon. Then I have my phenol. Phenol is a very powerful chemical. Please use very little. That is chlorxylenol. Then we have our IPA and our color. So I guess that's what we need for this preparation. So the first thing to do is to add our hexapon into our container. Then I'm adding phenol into it and I'll stir so as for it to blend. So I keep stirring till it's blended with the hexapon. Then I'll be adding pan oil. So after adding the pan oil, I have to stir again. So I keep stirring till I'm sure I have mixed the chemicals properly. So this is our chlorxylenol. So after adding the chlorxylenol, we need to also stir properly so that it's well mixed. So I'm trying to check the measurement in order to know where to stop when adding my IPA. So I'm adding my IPA right now. So after adding the IPA, I need to stir properly also. So I keep stirring. Then I add our color. Like I said, this color is a very brown color. It's not the normal color for Dettol that has been branded for Dettol. It's not as if we cannot use any color, but the only thing is big brands have branded that color. So if you are not using their color, unless you have good money to do marketing, you might not be accepted easily. People might see it as inferior, like this is not what Dettol used to look like, because they even think all antiseptics are meant to be called Dettol. So I'm pouring it into a container to store for some few hours before we start using. This will stay for about 6 hours before you can start packaging it for usage. So thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kesali, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't do so, and also please follow us on Facebook if you have not done that. Thank you very much.